Hey guys, here's part 2 of the Venn diagram video. So starting with a poll of favorite types of weather, hot, cold, and or rain and snow, meaning you can choose more than one favorite. If I'm asking you to find probability instead of just listing the outcomes this time, probability needs to be given as a fraction and always in the most reduced form. So the first thing we always need to think about, or we always need to find when we're talking about probability, is whatever our denominator is going to be. In this case, our denominator, because it's just very basic probability, is the total number of students that are chosen, or total number of students that were polled. So the first thing we want to do is we want to count, and we have a total of 27 students. In example 1, I'm asking you for the probability of cold. That means I want to know every student that's within the circle of cold, everyone that's within that blue highlighted region. If we count the total number of names, you're going to find that we have 15 names in the circle of cold. So our probability is 15 over 27, which we can reduce down to 5 over 9 because both numbers are divisible by 3. In the second one, the probability of warm apostrophe, remember this apostrophe means it's the complement. So now if I circle or highlight the circle of warm, I want everything that's outside of that highlighted region because remember, complement means outside of, so any name that is not highlighted. If we count those number of names, we have 13 out of 27. So 13 out of 27 students did not choose warm for any of their options. The third one, remember this upside down U means intersect. Cold intersect warm. That means where the circle of cold overlaps with the circle of warm. As you can see, I choose two different colors so I can see which region is highlighted by both. In this case, it's these 5 names in the middle here. So our probability is going to be 5 out of 27. The fourth one, the probability of warm intersect rain. Same idea. I'm going to circle warm in one color. I'm going to highlight rain in another color, and I'm going to see where they overlap. These 4 names, Charlie, Ray, Jenny, and Bob, are the only ones that are highlighted by both green and yellow, which means my probability in this case would be 4 out of 27. The fifth one, the probability of warm, intersect cold, intersect rain. If you're doing 3 intersections, you're going to need 3 different colors. So I highlight warm, I highlight cold, and I highlight rain. It's the region that has blue, green, and yellow, which in this case is these 3 names in the middle. So 3 over 27, which reduces down to 1 over 9. Lastly, this symbol that we haven't seen in a little bit, U for union. That means everything that they both share. So I have everything in cold, this entire circle, and everything in warm. So basically, it's everyone in the class except for the 3 students who did not pick cold or warm for any option. Your probability in this case is 24 over 27, or 8 over 9.